I'm not getting any views on my videos. I'm not getting any new subscribers. I have been working so hard for a month, for 2 months, for 4 months. So what should I do? Should I leave the YouTube channel? Hello and welcome friends. This is Sandeep from Gyan Guru Sandy, and I welcome you to this episode. We'll learn here how to motivate ourselves when we are not getting any likes or subscribes for quite a while, and when we are working so hard, should we quit or should we continue? So this will be the main theme of our video today. So come on, let's get started. Our main topic of discussion will be based on 4 points. Point number 1, why did I start YouTube, or why did I start making videos on YouTube? Point number 2, how much time it will take for me to become viral? Point number 3, what is the importance of patience level? And foremost point number 4, guess. Absolutely, you guessed it quite right. Expectations. Should we have any expectations in the initial phase, or should we not expect anything for 6 to 12 months? So based on all these 4 points, we'll come to a conclusion at the end of the video. So keep watching the video till the very end. Don't miss the points or the explanations. This will help you in the long run. So in the initial phase, we are self-motivated. We make very good videos with great content and a great consistency. That means we are regularly posting our videos. But after a lapse of few months or 2 or 3 months, when we are not getting enough subscribers or views, we begin to think that after giving so much effort, we are not getting the result. So should I stop making the videos? Because after making videos with so much pain, so much labor, so much interest, views and subscribers are not coming. So what is the result? The result is that many new YouTubers leave the platform. They are making good content, they are giving their effort, but still they are leaving this platform. Why? Because nobody is watching their videos. That is their perception. That is why they are not getting any views or subscriptions. Means without consistency you cannot move on in YouTube, but with consistency you should keep yourself self-motivated. Me myself being a very new YouTuber, I have not lost my motivation. Moreover, motivated people never fail in their life. So we will again start with the question, the 4 things which I had narrated in the introduction part. So we will follow the first one. Why did we start YouTube? Ask yourself, why did you start the YouTube? To follow your dreams, your passion, million subscribers, name, fame. In my case, myself being a new YouTuber, you can see how many subscribers I have. They are not great in numbers, but it is my passion which is helping me post more and more videos consistently. I am following the senior lots, I am watching their videos, I am learning step by step, posting these motivational videos so that few other new YouTubers who are new to this platform should not leave this platform, because it is a beautiful platform to express yourself, where you can put on your thoughts and people will listen to you, and many will get motivated to make such videos which will help others. in one or another thought, this is working like an NGO, where you are not thinking about earning in the initial phase, but you are giving or imparting a lot of knowledge to the people who are in search of knowledge. I hope you will understand what I am meaning to say. The second point we will discuss is expectations. I know I had put this point in the fourth position in the introduction part, but still we will discuss it much earlier, because this is a very important point. This means that you don't start expecting that within 2 to 3 months you will get so many subscribers and views. In the initial phase, you have to work for 6 to 12 months consistently, putting regular posts, working hard, giving your 100%. After your channel starts getting older, the YouTube starts putting your videos in the suggestion list, and then recognition comes and your videos are reaching to many people, and then you start getting the subscribers and views and recognition. So don't demotivate yourself by the thought that you are not getting enough subscribers or views in the initial period. Work without expecting for the result. Just work like anything. Give your best for your internal satisfaction. You should work. You should not work for earning. You should work for your internal satisfaction. You should feel fulfilled when you deliver the videos which you wanted to deliver. The thing is that you wanted to deliver all those things. That is why you started the channel. So without expectations, keep posting, be consistent, have good content, and results will follow you in the coming months. After a year or so, you'll see the result. You'll yield the fruits. You'll start getting subscribers, views, and recognition, and you'll see that your efforts have not gone in vain. They have yielded a very thoughtful result. Few people start taking YouTube as pressure. That is the third point, time. They think that they have to make videos. They don't want to make videos. They have some other important work to do, but under pressure or for the sake of consistency, for the sake of posting regular posts, and they are forced to make videos at the time that is not suitable for them. Many a times it becomes easier for us to suggest you that you should take it, make it in a leisure time. You could post the videos in a week, one video, or in a month, one video. I understand, being a new YouTuber, I also go through the same phase, because sometimes posting consistently, you have to take out time from your busy schedule. I will not dictate the same thing, but I will just request that try not to take it as a pressure. If you will try, maybe you will feel a little less pressure, and you will feel a pleasure in posting all those videos. Means pressure converts into pleasure. I hope you understand what I wanted to say. Last but not the least, patience, which pays off with lapse of time. The most important thing for the YouTubers, channel will get recognition only with the time. Slowly and steadily your videos will be made to reach to people, different people. Slowly the subscribers will come, views will come. It will not come in a day. So you have to keep patience. If you lose patience, if you say that okay, I'll stop making videos, all your previous efforts will go into vain, my friends. You have done so much hard work, you have been consistent, you have been giving good content, and still losing hope will not help you in any ways. So you have to be patient, slow and steadily. Hard work will pay. You will get recognition, and your channel will grow. Not only yours, mine too. So we'll grow together with the patience. So with this I'll finish my video, but I will say that never lose hope, keep giving your best, and God will fulfill your wishes one day. Not only yours, mine too. So with a good note and with a good thought, I end my video here itself. If you liked the video, give a big thumbs up. If you did not like it, give a thumbs down. Just don't put my efforts into vain. You can subscribe to the channel, it's absolutely free. And if you like my video, if you want me to continue into English also, please write into the comment section. Otherwise I'll revert back to my Hindi lectures. If you want these kind of videos more and more, and if you want to see it first, just hit the bell icon so that the notifications will come to your YouTube channel or your mails a little faster. With very good thoughts, may Gautam Buddha enlighten your life. I'll take leave from all of you till next video. Goodbye.